Okay, shuffle retains a shuffled copy of the list using a version of this algorithm. I won't use that. I'll just generate a random index within the range of the list you passed, and just swap the current element with randomized generated element from the same list using the random index I got. So this is their example. So each time I run it, I will get a random array. So const shuffle to will equal a function that accepts a list, and I will do a normal for loop. The index will be I, and it's less than the list length, and I need to generate a random index that within the range, the array. So you can do this by floating math.random times I plus 1. This is, we are getting a random index within the range from 0 to the length of the array, minus 1. And we can swap them. We can swap them without a temporary variable by using this. So list, by using the structuring. So list of j, comma, list of I, comma, list of j inside an array will be equal to another array having list of j, comma, list of I. So this is the structuring, and we can now retain list. Now we can run the same example. Shuffle 2. We should see two arrays each time they are in random order. So yeah, that's it.